Ever imagined that why do our eyes shut down during a sneeze? So the major reason is that our eyes shut down during a sneeze because when we sneeze, the nerves which control our sneezing also control our eyelids, which results in an automatic shutdown of our eyes. When we sneeze, these nerves signal our eyelids to close, protecting our eyes from sudden pressure. Trying to keep our eyes open would go against this natural reflex. That's why it's almost impossible to sneeze with our eyes open.